Welcome to Technology Thriving. Today we're comparing the Google Pixel 8a and Pixel 7a. The Pixel 8a features a sleek, modern design with a slightly larger frame. The Pixel 7a, on the other hand, has a more compact build. Both phones have a premium feel, but the Pixel 8a uses more advanced materials. The Pixel 8a comes with a 6.1-inch OLED display, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. The Pixel 7a has a 5.8-inch OLED display, which is still impressive but slightly smaller. Under the hood, the Pixel 8a is powered by the latest Tensor G3 chip, ensuring faster performance. The Pixel 7a uses the previous generation Tensor G2 chip, which is still powerful but not as fast as the G3. Both phones feature excellent cameras. The Pixel 8a has a 50MP main sensor, while the Pixel 7a has a 48MP main sensor. The Pixel 8a also offers improved low-light performance and better image processing. The Pixel 8a boasts a larger battery, providing up to 24 hours of usage. The Pixel 7a offers around 20 hours, which is still decent but not as long-lasting.